Prediction for the price of Bitcoin. BTC holds steady at $30,500 as market awaits release of June inflation data. At $30,628, the price of one Bitcoin has increased by around 0.50% since Wednesday. The cryptocurrency market is still on standby to evaluate any potential effects on Bitcoin's performance as it waits for the release of June inflation statistics. Notably, CBOE has updated 5 Bitcoin ETFs, incorporating Coinbase surveillance agreements, adding to the market's potential growth and increasing interest. As the release of the June inflation data nears, the crypto market is on alert. Inflation in the US is expected to reach its lowest point in June in more than 2 years, but ongoing price increases for core goods and services indicate that the Federal Reserve is likely to continue hiking interest rates. The Consumer Price Index is expected to slow to 3.1%, the lowest rate since March 2021, according to economists. As investors examine prospective changes in interest rates and inflationary pressures, this could raise expectations of the Federal Reserve's tightening monetary policy, which could have an effect on Bitcoin's performance. Ether Chen, the chief financial engineer at Bybit, thinks that the market is looking for signs of price rise for BTC after a slowdown or halt of rate hikes in the second half of the year. Anticipating BTC price growth amidst rate slowdown, Ether Chen, insights from Bybit's head financial engineer. Chen predicts that market prices could rise in the fourth quarter, yet a true bull market might not start until 2024. A halt to rate rises, a major BTC correction, and the removal of regulatory uncertainty would be necessary in this scenario. Despite these forecasts, Bitcoin has remained stable at over $30,000, displaying a stunning 100% rise from the year's beginning. In particular, Bitcoin has shown resiliency in down markets, indicating that seasoned traders may have profited from its performance. As mentioned in the news, the continuous rise in Bitcoin's value can be ascribed to the expectation of further price increases. Investors can take note of the anticipated fourth-quarter market recovery and the possibility of a bull market in the years to come. This confidence, together with Bitcoin's remarkable results so far in 2022, have probably helped to maintain interest and demand, which has further fueled the price growth of Bitcoin. 5 Bitcoin ETFs from CBOE were refiled using Coinbase surveillance agreements. The value of Bitcoin, BTC, has increased as a result of the addition of a surveillance sharing agreement, SSA, between CBOE Global Markets and Coinbase. This tactical choice is in line with the SEC's demands to stop fraudulent conduct and shows a strong commitment to regulatory compliance and investor protection. The inclusion of Coinbase, a regulated market with a sizable trading volume, substantially improves the legitimacy of BTC and the CBOE's Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund (ETF) applications. The agreement between CBOE and Coinbase represents a step towards future ETF issuance, which might draw institutional investors and encourage broader acceptance of Bitcoin. Despite Coinbase's ongoing legal dispute with the SEC, the market views the partnership between CBOE and Coinbase favorably, boosting investor zeal and confidence. Price prediction for Bitcoin. With its price hovering around $30,780, Bitcoin is now exhibiting a positive trend. Despite the fact that it encounters opposition close to the $31,000 mark, it has been able to hold on to some of its gains, particularly around $31,500. In particular, there is significant resistance near the $31,350 level. The next objective, at about $32,500, or perhaps even higher, at about $34,150, could be reached by Bitcoin if a successful break above this level is made. On the negative side, Bitcoin has nearby support levels to take into account. Around $30,300 or perhaps around $29,650 is where potential support can be found. If the price dramatically drops below the $29,650 mark, it might go as low as $28,650 or even lower, to roughly $27,900. The $31,000 level should thus be carefully watched because it can give a clear hint of a potential purchasing opportunity in Bitcoin.